Hello. We have some other adverbs here of certainty, negativity, and more. So let's see what all these small words mean. Σαν, ενός, is like in English, or as. So σαν is like in I'm not like you. Δεν είμαι σαν εσένα. Okay, that means σαν εσένα, σαν, like you. But when you have, for example, I'm working as a teacher, okay, it's the same in Greek. As a teacher, you say in English, and we say os δασκάλα in Greek, not σαν δασκάλα. So that's the difference. Σαν, it's like, and as is os in Greek. Ne means yes, of course. Μάλιστα means of course, certainly. It's like you say, of course I'll do it. Okay, μάλιστα, θα το κάνω. Βεβαίως, for sure, certainly, again. Σωστά means correctly or right. Λανθασμένα means wrongly. Ίσως means maybe or might, perhaps. Μάλλον means rather. Πιθανόν means probably. Όχι means no, of course. Then is for forming negative sentences. Then είμαι εγώ, okay? I'm not the guy, the person you're looking for. Then in front of the verbs for negative sentences. And me is don't do that. Μη το κάνεις αυτό. Okay? That's it. For about adverbs. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Yeah.